Alright. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a guest today. Alexa's here filming with me today. So we are actually going to be doing an unboxing, and we're going to be talking about this here. This is the Allure Beauty Box, and it's a special edition box.
Kitty.
Lexi has some stuffed animals with her, huh?
Kitty right there.
Yeah.
This is named Leia Lemon Squeaky. This one's named Shiny.
Shiny. So the reason Lexi is doing this box with me, do you want to tell them where did this box come from? Do you remember? Where did we get this?
From my fundraiser.
Yeah, so she had a fundraiser at school, and they did, they sent like a couple different catalogs, and they had a ton of different stuff available to purchase. A lot of it was like food items and candy and stuff like that, but there was a lot of like gift related items since the fundraiser was being delivered in November. And this was in there, and I thought it would be really fun to get one and unbox it with Lexi, since she's the one that sold it to me, huh? Yeah. So I have done an Allure box one time before, but it was like 4 years ago when they first came out with them, so I haven't revisited it in a very long time, and I haven't really seen a lot of these around, but when I saw it in the catalog, I thought it would be kind of a fun thing to do. So, are you excited? We don't know what's in here, but it is jingling around a lot, so hopefully it's wrapped up good. It's got like, it's like sealed, so I'm gonna cut the seal on it.
It's a mystery.
Okay, Lexi, how should we do this? Do you want to just take things out one at a time?
Yeah, I'm holding it.
Oh, you're gonna hold it?
Uh-huh.
Oh, it smells good, right? When I opened it, you smell it?
Yeah.
There is a card in here. Now, it is a special edition box because it's, you know, I think they do the monthly box, but since this isn't for like one specific month, since it was for a fundraiser, it does have all of the different products listed, so, oh wow, there's a lot in here. Okay. I think this was $30 if I remember correctly. Yeah. So the first thing she pulled out was a nail polish. This is from the brand London Town, I believe. A lacquer enhanced color by London Town, it says.
Yes.
It's a nice pink, huh?
My second favorite color is pink because my first favorite color is rainbow.
Alright, let's keep going. We got more stuff in here. Yeah, I think it was $30. I'll put it on the screen. Okay, what's next? You gotta let me see before you hold it up so I can read it. This is from Laritzy Cosmetics. I feel like I've heard of this brand before. I think I've seen this in a BoxyCharm possibly. This is a lip pencil, it says, and it's in the shade Bear. Should we open it up and take it out?
That's what it looks like. I'll show you it again.
But I was gonna say, I haven't tried this box in a really long time. The only one I've been doing is BoxyCharm for the last few years. I did Ipsy for a very long time, and I've tried, I did Starbox, I think it was called, like years ago. Do you guys remember that one?
It's right here.
So this is what it looks like, and it's just got the regular pencil that you have to sharpen. Let me swatch it. Don't drop the box, okay? And there's a swatch. So anyway, I thought it'd be kind of fun just to try this out.
And it might look different on skin, so I'm gonna try it on mine. Right here.
Nice.
I don't know the difference because I can't remember first.
All right, let's see what else we got. Another pencil type item. What is this? This is from, is it Dose? I can't remember how to say this. This is another brand I have seen in BoxyCharm. This is called the Fierce and Fine. Oh, it's a graphic pen liner, so it's like a felt tip black liner. Ooh, I needed another one. That actually looks really nice.
And let me swatch it.
You want to swatch it?
Yeah.
Ooh, she did a nice bold swatch for us. That's very pigmented, so yay, we're excited about that, aren't we? Liquid liners are good. You like mine? Yeah. So Lexi sold a lot of stuff. Did you get a lot of prizes from selling stuff at school? Yeah, she did really good selling. Okay, next we have a Mallee. I think this is one of the eyeshadow pencils. I have a few of these, and this one is called Autumn Shimmer. Oh, I don't have this shade. I was gonna make sure I didn't have the shade before we swatch it.
Hold on, I'm gonna show you. This is it, and also, if you want to see the cap, it's shimmery.
Ooh, yeah, I have tried the formula on these. These are pretty nice.
It's real sparkly.
Pretty sparkly. Oh, that's a pretty color. It's like a peachy gold.
Is anybody watching? What?
Sit down.
Ugh.
Don't be too silly, okay? We still have a job to do. Get another item from the box. Lexi likes to be silly. What do we got here? Ooh, Juice Beauty. I haven't tried anything from this brand, but this is a brand I've been interested in trying. I know they sell this at Ulta. It's the Green Apple Brightening Gel Cleanser. Ooh, I'm very excited about it. It's a 2 fluid ounce, so that might be a full size. Is that funny that it's called Juice Beauty? Yeah. So that's really cool. I'm excited about that. What else we got, Lex? Okay, another Mallee item. This is a Mallee Lip Gloss, and this is in the shade Starburst. I've had a bunch of these Mallee Lip Glosses in the past, and I don't like the formula. They're just too sticky for me. So I'm not going to swatch this one, and Lexi's not either, because we're going to set this aside for a giveaway. All right, another Mallee item. So there were 3 Mallee items in this box. This one is, it looks like a lip gloss again, but it's different. It's called Pearly Girl. I think it's another lip gloss, but it looks like it's more of an iridescent one. So hopefully the formula is different than the ones in those clicky ones. I just don't like them.
That looks cool.
So it looks like it's just a sheer, I don't think you're going to see it. It's just a sheer, glittery, very light pink color. All right, you want to hold one up and I'll hold one up. Don't open it. All right, and we also got 2 face masks in the box. These are from the brand Bio Bell. I haven't heard of that brand. This one is the hashtag Stay Gorgeous Hydrate and Nourish Mask, and Lexi is holding the hashtag After Party Mask, which is supposed to be a soothing and brightening mask. So that is everything that came in the box, correct? Did we forget anything? No. So let's just go through prices real quick. So it looks like the Mallee High Shine, oh, it's a liquid lipstick? I don't think that's a liquid lipstick. It's a lip gloss. They're saying that this is a liquid lipstick, but it's not. It's very glossy. That is a retail value of $21. The Mallee eyeshadow stick is a retail value of $25. The Dose liner, this guy is a retail value of $21. The lip liner is a retail value of $18. Lexi, what'd you do with the nail polish? Oh. The nail polish is a retail value of $16. The face wash is a retail value of $28. And the sheet masks have a retail value of between $4 and $5. One is $4, one is $5. So that is everything. I can't do the math in my head real quick, but clearly that's much higher than a $30 value. I think this was a good deal, definitely, since I also purchased this to support their school, and the school did get a portion of the money to help them out. So I'm glad that I bought it. Did you have fun doing the unboxing?
Uh-huh.
Yeah? What was your favorite thing in the box? Lexi was hoping for candy in the box. There was no candy. Are you disappointed? Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this unboxing with Lexi and I today. And yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you guys have been getting the actual Allure subscription, I'd love to know what you guys think about it, if you guys are enjoying it. I honestly had forgotten all about this subscription box, so it was kind of exciting to try it again. But, but anyways, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Hold on.